This is Mina Barsoom with CDOCS, and welcome to the tip of the day. In today's tip, I want to talk about some techniques you can use to help modify your models before you send them to your laboratory to make you a removable provisional. So in this case, this patient just had an implant placed on tooth number 5, and I'm unable to create something fixed for her in this area in the form of a Maryland bridge due to her occlusion. So our plan is going to be to send this to the laboratory. So I wanted to show you in the edit model phase, there's some tools you can use to change the model. So let's say, for example, if you didn't have an implant, you can go in here and create a nice ovate pontic for your provisional that the lab can utilize. But obviously in this case, instead of smoothing or removing, I actually want to go in and add over to the implant. What I want to do is give the lab an artificial model to protect the implant from the final removable provisional from contacting the implant. So all I'm doing here is just adding all the way around the implant, editing the model, and now when the laboratory makes my removable provisional, it won't touch the implant because I've artificially made it taller than it really is. So it's a nice little trick you can use to edit these models before you send it to your laboratory, so when you get your removable provisionals, they are safe and not contacting the implant. Hope you enjoyed today's tips. See you again next time. Take care.